In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Amazon gift card code, whether you've got a physical card in your hand or a digital one in your inbox. This straightforward yet important process can help you seamlessly add value to your Amazon account, making future purchases more enjoyable. So let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First, let's talk about locating your claim code. If you've received a physical gift card, you'll notice a coding on the back that needs to be scratched off to reveal the code. It's a bit like those lottery tickets, but much less messy, so be gentle and make sure all the numbers and letters are clearly visible. For those of you with a digital gift card, your claim code will be right there in the email that accompanied the gift card. It's usually easy to spot, often highlighted to ensure you won't miss it. Make sure to keep this email handy as you progress to the next steps. Now, with your claim code at the ready, the next step is to navigate to the redemption page where all the magic happens. If you're using a computer, go to Amazon's website and find the Redeem a Gift Card page. You can locate this page by using the search function or by navigating through your account and then selecting gift cards from the menu. But if you're using the Amazon app on your smartphone or tablet, it's no more difficult. Simply open the app and tap on the person icon, which will take you to your profile. From there, find the section labeled Gift Cards and tap on Redeem a Gift Card. It's quite intuitive once you know where to look. With the redemption page open, it's time to enter your code. Typing the claim code into the designated field is quite straightforward, but remember there's no need to include the dashes that you might see printed on your card or in your email. Amazon's system is pretty smart, and it doesn't require those extra characters, which has made this process even simpler. Finally, after you've carefully double-checked that the code is entered correctly, the last step is to apply it to your balance. Click the Apply to Your Balance button, and just like that, the value of your gift card will be added to your Amazon account's balance. This credit is now ready for you to use on any future purchases, making your Amazon shopping spree that much easier and perhaps even more fun. By following these straightforward steps, you'll ensure that every gift card you receive is redeemed smoothly and efficiently. So the next time you have an Amazon gift card, you'll know exactly what to do, adding value to your account easily and efficiently. Thanks for joining today, and happy shopping!